Welcome back, guys. We got a big issue. We got a big issue with Ollie. She's bleeding all over the place. I think we got a leak in our transmission line, and that's probably what this is. So let's take a look at it. So this is the hydraulic pump right here. This hydraulic fluid is kind of clear, kind of brownish, so it's not that. But this machine here actually has two radiators. So we have a radiator here, or an intercooler, that's just for the transmission. And then this one is the regular, way back here. And that one back there, that goes to the engine to cool the engine down. But this one's filled with red fluid for the transmission. And that's where we got a leak. So it looks like when we look in here, see this line way back here? That, I know it's hard to see, to focus on. Looks like this clip right here is bad. And we gotta put another one right there, because everything's draining right out of here, right out of this whole system. You see this line right here comes out of that transmission radiator, loops around, and then connects up to the metal pipes, which then go all the way over here, into more pipes, and go all the way back that way, and then cool down the transmission. So, luckily, it's not that big of a deal if you got extra stuff. If we look in here under the trusty Red Bull, we got an extra one of those clips. And we got some transmission fluid. So, in this machine, in the Oliver 263, I'll show you where the transmission fluid reservoir is. And that's what we're going to do, is down here, this thing right here is the fluid reservoir for the pump. And this pumps everything that way, goes through the radiator, comes through the radiator, and then goes down into the big reservoir here. So if you open this up, right in here, you can actually just see right into the transmission gearbox. It's pretty fun. So let's see, right down into there, maybe a little bit, probably not. But there's some gears down there, and it doesn't look a little low, but we're going to go ahead, throw some transmission fluid in this, and then put a clamp on the front to fix that and see if that does it. So we'll be back in just a little bit. Let's see where we're at. So on this dipstick right here, shows full and empty, or add over here and then full. So let's see where it shows us right now. Shows us just above the add. So we'll have to get some more fluid and add some more fluid, but we're out of fluid right now. So hopefully after we fix up that leak, we have enough fluid to be able to drive around. Looking around the driveway, you could tell this thing's been leaking a whole bunch. Look at that. We got all kinds of transmission fluid all over the place. It looks like she's just been bleeding out for quite a while, and we never really noticed. Huh. Well, we're getting her fixed. All right, guys. Well, that was pretty easy. Because we had the spare part there, we didn't want to take the other one off, so we just added another hose clamp. So it's definitely something we're going to have to take more care of in the spring. But right now, this is kind of a quick fix. So we added another hose clamp right there where all the fluid is coming out. We added more fluid inside there in the reservoir. We're definitely going to need to add more because, as I showed you before, it's a little bit lower. But we're going to go ahead, get Ollie started, moving around again, and we'll see if she's still dripping like that. But hopefully not. All right, guys, so we put her through some paces, scraping the driveway, as you guys just saw. We scraped over there by the temporary heating source over there. But I wanted to take you underneath here because I don't think she's dripping at all anymore. So, quick fix, temporary fix. She's no longer bleeding out. There you go. This is another video on the Oliver 263. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe. Put notifications so that you always know when we're posting more videos. Talk to you guys later.